Our identity as Māori, as Ngāti Koata, for instance, I look at our old piu, our Raranga, our whāriki, our whare, our tukutuku, and all of those are aspects of weaving. As students, we might be surrounded by weaving and not really realise that we're surrounded by weaving until you come to a program like this, and then you're asked to research and look and just question, how was this made? What was the construction used here? Where do you think they got the resources from? Why do you think they chose this design? Is it representative of a season or a fishing or a behaviour of manu or food or something? And I find that really exciting, and I love passing that on.
Anyone can be a weaver. If you have a passion for taonga, if you have a passion for ngā taonga o ngā matua tupuna, anyone can do this mahi. And you're creating taonga for future generations within your whānau.
Anybody that has the patience and the passion can weave.
I really enjoy students who push themselves and go a bit out of their comfort zones. Everyone can weave, but not everyone can weave well or is passionate enough to want to weave well. And that's most probably the biggest distinction.
So in semester 2 we go into kono and konai. So the konai are the two-cornered, almost like an envelope. So you know when you go to a tangi or you go to any hui, you hand over koha. Well, instead of using a paper envelope, you can just make a little konai. They don't take long, and your koha goes into that. For the kono, the four-cornered baskets, I use them to store my eggs in at home. I have my kumara sitting them on my bench. Rather than have a whole lot of containers, I actually use them every day. When it comes to our kete, we use ours every day, just as your normal handbag. Kete whiri that you learn in year 1, I use mine for fishing, for kahawai, for going out and getting pātiki. My boys, they're only young, and so they did use buckets or, plastic bags, and now it's like, oh no, we just want a kete whiri, mum, because the water goes through, they can sling it on their back. They're just wonderful. And also going to the supermarket, have one specific kete whiri that you just go and do your shopping in. Yeah, they're wonderful, wonderful taonga that can be used every day, just like our tupuna did. So I really encourage you to come and learn, just for your first year even. If it's just a taste, it'll set you on your road, on your journey.
Come and do the weaving course, because we also here at Wānanga Raukawa, we also will help you develop your identity within your iwi and your hapū and with your reo. There's a lot of reo in the wharepora. All our courses have a reo component. It's not scary. It seems scary, but it's not really scary because you're already immersed in the reo and the wharepora and the weaving. You'll start making network contacts with your hapū if you haven't already. There might be iwi hapū patterns or designs or techniques that are unique that you want to explore just to give back to your iwi and hapū. There might be old relics that you want to recreate. So it's a really good pathway to come into, and for your whānau and your family, it just really helps with your own rangatiratanga.